Good morning, clients and future clients of TRW Folio Trading Platform. Today, we're happy to announce that the Folio can now trade the debt market on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. I will run you through an example of such a trade. Here at this moment, we're on the main market view. All you do is you go to the options where you can choose what type of market you want. At this moment, we are with the equities. We can choose all the bots, or we can choose directly. You see there's a change. Or we can choose directly equities. Okay, so we are now with the equities. What we need is, for example, we can trade the savings bonds now. We have had about 4 auctions: March, April, May, June. So let's search for where there's liquidity. I think it's the March auction. So we'll press the code for the March auction. One more time. Okay, this is the March auction. I think it's FGS and savings bonds. So let's search for that. FGS. Okay, that's it here. This is the March S Series 1. Just a second. Okay, we continue. It opened. Okay. Now, we would like to do a trade on, we would like to put a trade on the FMG bonds March series, series 1, March series 1. You look at the code, you come here, the arrow, you can buy, we're selling. Today we want to do a buy. We're not selling anything today, so we want to do a buy. Okay, here you can see Nigerian Stock Exchange, debt market, clean price. You can see from this arrow there's also a 30 price. The clean price is a percentage of the face value of the bond. So most bonds are 100% face value, which means a bond is worth 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira means 100% face value. So if you want to put less or higher than that, you have to put a percentage of 1,000. In this particular case, from the market view, we can see that most people buying at 820 naira, which is automatically equal to 82%, 82 points. Okay, so here we have decided to make it simpler for Nigerians by making it in naira, so they don't have to think too much about the percentage. So we go back to the buy. So I want to buy at 820. and 10 kobo. Why? I go back to the market view. On the market view, you can see that the people have lined up at 820. So if I want to come to the top of the line of the queue, I have to place a higher price. I have done it at this price. I want to buy 500,000 watts. So what I do is I check here, but first I have to choose whose account I want to place this deal on. So let's choose the name of the client. That's Mr. Ejekam. So it's Judy Ejekam. Okay. Good. Now, how much does he have in his account? Yeah, he has enough money, almost more than $1 million. So we now know, and we want to buy him 500,000 watts. Okay, we want to buy him 500,000 watts of bonds. So all you just do, you press this sum sign, and it automatically calculates you all the things you need to buy, calculates you the quantity automatically. You don't have to think too much. So now we're ready. We'll recheck. We're in the bonds, debt market, where with the clean price, which is, if you remember, is a percentage of the face value. The bond symbol, the type of order, let it be a limit, let it be done on a daily basis. Okay, so the order will be valid for 1 day. Okay, only. Now we have calculated the amount we need, the sum of the amount. What else? Okay, there's something that is tricky here. We can also see the dirty value of this trade. But dirty value is equal to the amount we're using to buy the bond plus incurred to that moment interest on the bond. So the bond's interest is calculated on a daily basis. So once you press this sign, you can see there's a change. So this bond has so far accumulated, if you subtract the last from there, you calculate somewhere around 2 naira 83 kobo interest since we entered its new quarterly payment period. So normally it's better to go back to the clean price and use the clean price. That's what I recommend, because the market view is showing you mainly the clean price. So don't use the dirty price, please. Just go to the clean price and trade with that. So once we have this, all we do, we're now ready. We do a submission. Wow, that was fast. Trade has come out. You can go to the file. If you want to do some changes, you can come here, or you can delete it, so you can rush it and update it to see if there's any changes. And then we want to check if the trade has come in. We do a refresh. Yes, the trade is here. It's at the top of the line. So that is how to make a bond trade on the Folio TRW's eTrader. I'm very sure that this is the only platform that has such an ability at this moment. So we congratulate Color Data for making these updates for TRW and other stockbroking firms that use this platform. So congrats to Color Data, and congrats to eTrader for making an attempt to bring this to its clients. So enjoy yourself, trade on the platforms, and have good access to quick information and quick trades. Bye.